Student, let's start our class. I am your Yogita Miss of Science and I am learning you the lesson number 4, Environmental Science of EVS 1. Now look at the picture. You have seen that the picture below shows another food chain. You have to guess the missing link in it. Look at the first and third pictures. Think of the connection between them and complete the chain. Now, in this picture, when you observe, you can see that the sun, the grass, and the caterpillar, the question mark is in the middle, and the owl. That one, it is a food chain. Yes, in which the plants are make their own food with the help of sun. The caterpillar eat the grass, leaves, and the bird. Then the answer is the bird are eat the caterpillar and the birds are eaten by the owl. That means the food chain is complete. Now turn to the turn to the next picture. In nature, there are many food chains. If one of the link in a chain become extinct, can the food chain lost? Yes, because every one organism, every one living things are depend on one another to complete our chain. In this picture, the sun, the grass, the rabbit, and the python, you can see they are, that means they are eaten, they complete one chain. Yes. Now the next one is the food web. Observe the various food chains in the picture below. In the picture below, after some time we are going to the picture. Now the most important food in the food chain, plants. The next picture we see. Look at the picture. The most important food in the food chain, plants. Every living things get its food from the environment. Look at the picture. A plant is grow in the soil. It take minerals and water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air and the chlorophyll present on the leaves and make the sun rays from the sunlight and make the own food and release oxygen, the arrow of release of oxygen in the air, and this oxygen we take to for the respiration. That means that every living thing get its food from the environment. Many animals in the environment eat only plants. Other animal eat the animal that live on plants, but plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Without sunlight they can't make their own food. And the carbon dioxide from the air, they take sunlight using water and the carbon dioxide from there. It means that plants are the main support of every food chain, because every food chain is the foundation. Plant is the foundation of the every food chain. Now come to our next picture. Look at, there is the food chain, a food wave formed by the interlinking of several food chains. That is, in this there are many number of animals. You can see the grass, the grapes, the caterpillar, the grasshopper, frog, bird. They are interconnected within each other and they form a food wave. Food chain is a short form, and food wave is a large amount of animals and plants are involved in it. You have to, what you have to done, you have to done the homework. You have to note down the many food chains. Just like one food chain I have given here, that is grass is eaten by the caterpillar is eaten by the grasshopper sorry grasshopper is eaten by the bird, and bird is eaten by the eagle. Next one is the again the grass caterpillar is eaten by the frog. This one is the one chain. You have to such a one or two or three or four chain you have to note down in your notebook. Now turn the page and come to on the page number 22 or on page number 22. Now the environmental balance. Look at the picture. You have seen the picture, the leaves, the sun and the grass and the giraffe. That is, there are many food chains in our environment. Because of these food chain, every living thing gets the food it needs and therefore continues to live. Microorganisms living in the soil help the process of decomposition of the plant residue. What happened? That is, we eat grass. We eat plants. We eat animals. Many animals eat the plants, grass, and after the death, every animals are deposit on the soil and the decomposer, the many small microorganisms decompose. हमारे body को सड़ाने का काम करते हैं, चाहे वो plants रहे, animals रहे, everything. प्लांट रेसिड्यू या पत्ते रहे या सूखा हुआ घास रहे, सबको सड़ाने का काम करता है. डेड एनिमल एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. उसका रिजल्ट व्हाट? एज अ रिजल्ट द सब्सटेंस दैट हेल्प द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट. उसमें हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो सब्सटेंस है, प्लांट्स के अंदर, एनिमल्स के अंदर, वॉट एवर द सब्सटेंस इट इज, इट हेल्प द प्लांट्स टू ग्रो. Plants are them for the growth. Their helps are for the growth. Thus, plants use substances in the soil for their growth, and when plants and animals die, the decomposition of their remain adds these substances to the soil once again. फिर हम मरते या प्लांट्स मरते, फिर वो सब्सटेंसेस सारा का सब सॉइल में मिलता है. दैट मीन्स दैट दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट साइकिल इन द इन्वायरमेंट एंड अवर इन्वायरमेंटल इज बैलेंस. इसी तरह से हमारा इन्वायरमेंटल बैलेंस में रहता है. Also, living things get a continuous supply of water because of the water cycle. Now come to our next topic, that is you can see the water cycle. Living things use oxygen. We know that whatever the oxygen they release in the process of their food खाना बनाने के प्रोसेस में जो ऑक्सीजन they release, we take this release oxygen for breathing and give out carbon dioxide gas. Plant use this carbon dioxide from the air for making their food. Oxygen is given out in this process and gets added to the air again. This is a cycle in nature. There is one cycle is that the environmental cycle. Plants हम खाते हैं, मरने के बाद जो भी होता है वो एक साइकिल है. ऑक्सीजन साइकिल इज एक है, वाटर साइकिल इज. these all cycles we are expanding cycles, information and knowledge we will learn in the 10th standard. There are many such cycles. There are several other such cycles in nature. Thus there is interaction amongst living things and between living and non-living things. Here our chapter is finished, and always remember and what we have learned you have to note down in your notebook. And also the exercise in this video I have given the answers of this question also here. These are the answers of the questions I have given, and also the next slide the remaining answers are given. Yes, now here we stop and you have to do the all homework in your notebook and send me the pic of your completion. Till to the next lecture. Bye bye students.